We're gonna make a documentary. Was I in?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You recording?
Yes.
Christopher Youngo.
That's me.
Look at this tweet by Jacob Dixon. He held some parakeets today. It's strange because not everyone knows that there are just like an abundance of little green parrots around London, but there are. They have this like really distinct kind of like screech noise. It's like a. I tweeted him back saying, I've been trying to befriend these guys for a long time. What's the secret? And here's the money. Here's the money here. Go to this exact spot with some bird food, which I'm sure you already have, and he's bloody right. Oh, shit. And it's in Kensington Gardens, which, by the way, I remember the day that I discovered that these birds existed was the same day that I took a particular photo. And now that I think about it, this was in Kensington Gardens. That's cool. I want to call Jacob.
Nice.
Wow. We couldn't get Jacob on the phone right now. Just go there with some seed, and hopefully this should come to our hand, just like these birds. Just imagine this, but a little bit bigger, and they're all green.
Who are you calling?
I'm calling Louis Bryant. Louis Bryant?
Hello there, dear boy.
Would you like to go hold some little green parrots today?
Who it is?
He's ready for some birds. We're going to see some ring-necked parakeets today from India, but in London.
That's not where we are now.
We're not in India, no.
Yeah.
We got off at Lancaster Gate. Jacob Dixon had some luck around here.
I gave my number.
Hey, get a shot of that. Get some
No,
wildlife.
it's okay. I got it.
Mate. You see that up there?
Oh, look, it's a bloody bird.
She's feeding birds. There's a woman over there feeding some birds. Oh my god. It's real. It's real.
One of us is going to get pooed on. Oh, look, it's so close.
Hi, mate. Hello.
Wow.
Hello. They're fighting on me. They're fighting on me. Goodness gracious. Well, this was a lot easier than I thought.
There's so many on me. Ow. You nipped my finger.
I thought this would be a lot harder, honestly. I thought this was going to be a really long video of us trying and
I
failing.
got them on both my shoulders.
Both
right
your
now.
shoulders,
Right.
look at you. Hello.
Oh, he nipped my ear. He
Is
nipped
it?
my ear.
Aren't they cute? I'm not prejudiced against any bird. I've reached a whole new level. We weren't expecting this today, but we've really tamed the beasts. 'Cause it's been pretty.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, you're coming with us. We shall call you Steve, and you're George, and you're Hamlet. It's like
I
some
don't
very.
want to feed these pigeons. They've got enough. What's that?
Hit me in the mouth.
Oh.
This is what I went to film school for.
Oh my god, my hand is turned into pigeon! This is just great, isn't it? This is brilliant.
Can you
Look
walk,
at my
Can you
feet.
walk into them a bit more?
We're gonna conquer these mallards over here. Come on, you mallard. On the Nikon. He watches negative feedback.
Take a picture, put it on Flickr.
On 500px, mate. Oh, I've got one on my head.
I've been conquered by the Indians. How many are on my back?
One.
Just the one. Oh, that was a nice shot.
What was
there.
that?
Whoa.
Hey.
Yeah, I got one. Hey, friend. You still here? Yeah.
Long enough.
Yeah, this looks so good. Your tail's in the thing.
He's ruining it. Something very heavy on
Hey,
that
friend.
You want some seeds?
£1
Oh
handful.
no.
I've been apprehended. Okay, let's give Jacob a call. Jacob, what's the matter with you, man?
And a crow. Get the crow on you. I don't want to step on a pigeon. There's so many. There's my bird buddy.
Good on.
Oi!
Cheeky boy.
Oh, he's a lot more disgusting.
Oh, he's shitting on you. This guy is big.
6, we can do better than 6.
7. Ah, there you go, 7.
7. Hello, Jacob Dixon. We were trying to get in touch with you for some last minute bird tips. But we don't need any tips. Ow! That's my bloody ear.
Cool.
I really didn't expect today to end like this. I really don't know what else to say. There's nothing else I can say that could sum this up. Go. That's not funny. From the final frontier, geese. Okay, I'm proper scared right now.
They make a really scary noise.
Yeah, that's like a velociraptor with with webbed feet.
Oh yes.
And that's the best we're gonna get. So a swan can take a finger out.
No, swan can break an arm
How?
with its big old neck.
What's that? Bang! Right in
The
the arm.
giraffes fight with their necks.
The final frontier.
Get it to stand on your shoulder.
Mate, should I do it? I don't know if I trust
Just
it.
do it. Dab.
Subscribe for that. I'm running out of seeds. Let's go home.
Okay.
See bird footage. Pop that on Vimeo.
I'm at F2, mate.
Oh my gosh, that's Vimeo, mate. Pull to the spinach. Spinach pull! That's pretty sick, man.